Arizona's housing market is changing fast, and the numbers for October tell a story that every buyer, seller, and investor needs to hear. Inventory is rising, luxury homes are shaking up the averages, and interest rates are playing tug-of-war with demand. So, is this the start of a shift, or just a seasonal slowdown? Let's break it all down. Hey everyone, I'm Olga Boyke, your trusted Arizona Realtor. Today we're diving deep into the October 2025 housing market update for Metro Phoenix and beyond. I'll cover what's really happening with inventory, prices, demand, and the luxury sector, plus what it means for you as we head toward 2026. Let's start with the big picture. Compared to this time last year, active listings are up 25%. We now have over 24,000 homes on the market, and that's up more than 5% just from last month. Pending listings, on the other hand, are slightly down year over year, but we did see a small bump compared to last month. And here's the kicker, monthly sales are actually up 12% compared to last year. That sounds like huge demand, right? Well, not quite. September had one extra working day this year, and that alone accounts for about 5% of that increase. Now, prices. The average sales price per square foot climbed to $287, slightly higher than a year ago, and up 2.2% from last month. The median sales price is sitting at $454,000, which is up almost 3% from September 2024. But here's where things get interesting. This rebound is partly fueled by the luxury market. Just last month, there were 6 sales over $10 million. That's nearly $80 million in volume. And those 6 homes alone raised the overall average price per square foot by more than $6. Without them, the market would actually show a dip. For sellers, supply is climbing, and fast. That means if you're listing, presentation is everything. Staged, updated homes will move. Homes that aren't competitive, they'll sit. For buyers, this is where patience pays off. More listings mean more choice and more negotiating power. Concessions are back on the table, from closing cost help to price flexibility. Now let's talk about the Cromford Market Index, one of the best indicators of market balance. On October 2nd, 11 cities moved in favor of sellers, while 6 shifted toward buyers. Cities like Gilbert, Mesa, and Tempe showed strength, while places like Paradise Valley and Cave Creek saw declines. But here's the key. Overall, the index is slipping, mostly because supply keeps rising. That tells us this isn't a runaway seller's market anymore. It's a mixed bag and very local. Interest rates are still the wild card. The lowest point we've seen this year was 6.13% on September 16th. But after the Fed's decision, rates bounced right back, hitting 6.36%, and demand pulled back almost instantly. So what's next? The forecast suggests stable pricing with slight upward pressure between September and December. Nothing dramatic, but also no steep drops. Bottom line, Phoenix is still lagging behind the national average in appreciation, but we're not looking at a crash. This is more of a reset, one where buyers finally have more leverage and sellers need more strategy. So here's the takeaway. October is showing us a market in transition. Supply is climbing, demand is steady but fragile, and luxury homes are skewing the numbers. If you're a seller, price smart and stage well. If you're a buyer, use this leverage to your advantage. But don't wait too long if rates dip again. For more information, or if you have questions about navigating the Arizona market, head over to www.olgaboyke.com. And don't forget, you can also follow me on my socials to stay updated with the latest real estate insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.